collectively will be known as Camp 7-0. I know it's been a long process to get here, but up to this point, all you've done is shown that you possess the character necessary to get through the front doors. Now the real test is going to begin. You're about to embark on a journey that will challenge you both mentally and physically. It also is going to prepare you for something greater.
Aye, sir!
I'd say there's a lot of things that drive me to be a trooper. The agency is amazing. My family's really supportive of everything that I'm doing. I have a lot of family in law enforcement and first responders just overall. So they kind of push me and drive me to, want to be better.
I chose the State Patrol over any other agency because just their statewide jurisdiction, the amount of respect that other law enforcement has and the public has for the State Patrol. I really like that, so I wanted to give it a shot and I wanted to be part of the best.
Whenever I've seen troopers on the road or just talked to troopers in person or anything like that, they always have a sense of professionalism, and really steered me towards the State Patrol, and the training is the best that you can have in the state of Nebraska.
We are the mighty NSP! We are the mighty NSP!
Going from a high intense stress level in the early going weeks and getting everybody on the same page and getting everybody to work together as a team and understanding that working together as a team is the best way forward. Just getting through all the high stressful situations and making sure your campmates are getting along as well.
Got out of the military in May, and I just thought that would be a great step. I wanted to move back to Nebraska, and I was born and raised here, and I just felt like it was the biggest and best agency in the state.
Please! State Patrol, make yourself known!
Put the gun down! Put it down!
I got one suspect down. I'm in the old Hastings Middle School.
What drives me to be a trooper is the ability to be able to help others. Growing up, and I just always had that compassion and to be able to assist those who couldn't assist themselves. I feel like God has brought me to this path to become a state trooper for the state of Nebraska.
Hey, stay in the vehicle! Stay in the vehicle!
And just the professionalism of this agency is just over the top. It's so impressive to me, and it just stood out among everybody else just for how they train people.
Put the weapons down! Show me your hands! Raise them higher!
How the troopers work out on the road and how they, just how they treat people is really what stood out to me.
The most interesting part at camp has been watching us campmates all mesh together. But we've slowly just started meshing more and more, and it's been a lot of fun.
Team-oriented! Nebraska needs you. We need you on the front line serving. We need you to deal with those difficult things because there are people in this state who are going to be in need, and you're going to be the person to meet that need. You are going to represent all of us in your community. That too is an awesome responsibility. You're representing everybody else that wears this uniform.
So where are you going?
Going to Holdridge.
How do you feel about that?
I'm really excited. Can't wait to get out on the road.
And what's your badge number going to be?
220.
What's it mean to you to have that now?
It means a lot. The fellow troopers that had that number, and now it's specific to me. So it's important to me to, follow their footsteps and also be a good trooper.
As I was thinking in there, job's not done. Still gotta finish out camp, and then still gotta give it my all there in FTO. So.
223 is primary.
I would say I'm most excited for getting out on the road after graduation and applying some of these skills I've learned here in camp towards actually doing the job in real life. I've learned a lot, and I'm curious to see how my performance will be. I know FTO is going to be a difficult time, but once I get it down, I'm pretty excited to actually start going out there and serving the public.
Today it is my honor to present to you the 70th Basic Recruit Class of the Nebraska State Patrol.
Camp 7-0, you've just completed a rigorous law enforcement training experience that you will never forget. From today forward, each day that you pin on that badge, you will have the privilege of being a public servant.
If so, say, I so swear.
I so swear.
Congratulations, Troopers of the Nebraska State Patrol.